Every great story has that one moment that changes everything. The moment something happens, and it changes the entire narrative. In the world of AI, that moment might just be now. For years, we've been feeding data into machines, training them, evolving them. But what if we've reached the limit? What if there's no more data to feed the beast? Ilya Sutskever, co-founder of OpenAI, recently shared a revelation that sent shockwaves through the tech world.
Slowly but surely, or maybe not so slowly, AI will keep getting better. And the day will come when AI will do all the things that we can do. Not just some of them, but all of them. Anything which I can learn, anything which any one of you can learn, the AI could do as well. How do we know this, by the way? How can I be so sure? How can I be so sure of that? The reason is that all of us have a brain, and the brain is a biological computer. That's why. We have a brain, the brain is a biological computer. So why can't a digital computer, a digital brain, do the same things? This is the one-sentence summary for why AI will be able to do all those things. Because we have a brain, and the brain is a biological computer. And so you can start asking yourselves, what's going to happen? What's going to happen when computers can do all of our jobs, right? Those are really big questions. Those are dramatic questions. And right now, like, you start thinking about it a little bit, you go, gosh, that's a little intense. But it's actually only part of the intensity. Because what's going to happen? What will we, the collective we, want to use these AIs for? Do more work, grow the economy, do R&D, do AI research, so then the rate of progress will become really extremely fast, for some time at least. These are such extreme things, these are such unimaginable things. So right now I'm trying to pull you into that a little bit, into this headspace of this really extreme and radical future that AI creates.
Sutskever's words mark a turning point. The next generation of AI models won't just be smarter, they'll be agentic. Autonomous systems that perform tasks, make decisions, and interact with software on their own. Because the future of AI is not just about data, it's about action, and the time to act is now. The turning point is here. Are you ready?